Have you had a lot of ads popping up in front of you, whether it's Google or Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn? Every platform now has ads going on it. Well, guys, there's a reason for this. Everything is moving online. People are making money online and people are searching how to make money online. So my name is Bobby Ray, and I am here to tell you that I have an opportunity. It's a global reach. It is a global opportunity, and we are making money online. We are here to mentor people, to share our business build that we have that's in play with high ticket items that will change your life, bar none. It is something that I started 26 months ago. In early 2019 is when I started this, and my life has been completely changed. I want to be able to share this with as many people as I possibly can, because I think that the unforeseen future is moving more and more online. And if we don't jump on board sooner than later, then we may get left behind a little bit, right? So if you don't know where your future goes as far as your job or your finances or your, your time that you're going to have potentially to be with your family, your grandkids, whatever it happens to be, then this is for you to just check out. There's no obligation. There is no selling. There is going to be no inventory for you to keep. There's nothing secretive or hidden about this. This is just the introduction opportunity to share with you guys exactly where I'm at, what I've been doing, and how I got there. So we have a team of thousands of coaches and mentors that are available 24/7. There is virtual training that is accessible to you and is free to you 24/7. This is something that has been set up by the most amazing people that I have ever met. They have secured and patented this so that you, or anyone for that matter, that is interested and jumps on board and wants to change their lives financially, is a big one. It will help you with your mindset. It will help you with your health and your time that you have with your family. It is a life-changing experience. You will become part of a community of people that are there to help everybody. We stick together, and I get to be your personal mentor, and I'm excited about that. It's something that I never thought that I could do, and I never thought that I would be comfortable doing, because I didn't have a lot of skills. I didn't have a lot of computer knowledge whatsoever, but I have been trained, and I have taken it upon myself to learn as much as I can so that I can teach you guys, and that I can be the best mentor and the best teacher that I possibly could be to anybody that wants to learn this. So if you're looking to make a little bit of money or make a lot of money, or find that time freedom, maybe you live abroad from your family and you want to send some money back home so your family, your brothers, your sisters, your parents, anybody can join you or can live more comfortably back home, then this is definitely going to help you guys. Like I said, this is a no obligation workshop. You get to just simply register your name and your email, and then I will auto respond the links to you right away, and you can reach out as soon as you have had time to watch that. So please, guys, take that first step and just get the knowledge that you need to advance and to be able to learn something new and jump on board in the online world, which so many people already have and so many people are doing in so many areas. It's something that is for anybody. There is no restriction as to what this can do unless you set the restrictions for yourself. So I hope to see you all there. Like I said, just click my link, register your name and email, and I will be in touch with you guys shortly after. So watch for my reply email. You guys take care, stay safe, and I will see you on the inside. Cheers.